Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Alon Watch Foomlight smartwatch. It is a sports health data monitoring smartwatch, as you can see here. And one of its main feature is the health monitor. So it is included with a heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. We are going to try and have a demo of the heart rate and blood oxygen, and of course the result will be compared with our fingertip pulse as well as with our Galaxy Fit 3. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start and let's check our heart rate here. Let's go first with the heart rate monitor. So we have here our fingertip pulse monitoring. Okay. So let's have a good position here. Okay, heart rate. And we'll start with this one. If you cannot see it properly, I'm going to tell it to you. 84, 82 beats per minute. We have 76 here, 75, 74, 76, and 77. 78, the same results here. 81. We have 83 here on our Foomlight. 82 on our fingertip pulse. 84, and we have 82 and 80. As you can see here, the result is not that far from our watch Foomlight smartwatch. I guess it's just +1 or -1 when it comes to the difference. Okay, how about when we compare it with our Galaxy Fit 3? So let's see. Okay, we have our Galaxy Fit 3 health. Where's the heart rate? We have the heart rate here. Again, go back. So we have the heart rate. Again, okay, go back. Health, the heart rate, and the heart rate. Beats per minute. Okay, it's now measuring. 78 beats per minute. We have 80, as you can see here. So 78, 77, 80. Okay, +2, +1 difference. So 76, and we have 75 here. Just a +1 when it comes to the results here. Again, 79, 80. So we have somewhat a continuous monitoring here for our Galaxy Fit 3. Let's see with our Foomlight again. 82, as you can see here, they almost have the same results. 79, 78, 77. The results here on our Foomlight also drops. Okay, so that's very good so far for the heart rate monitor of our watch Foomlight. Let's see with the other one. We have here our Huawei Band 9. So let's see with the heart rate monitoring. Okay, measuring. We have 80. Okay, 88. We have 82, 87. Now they are, as you can see here, we do have the same results now. Okay, and completed 78. Okay, so far, as you can see here, seems like we do have a good sensor with our Watch FoamLight smartwatch for heart rate monitoring. I'm not sure if it's the same also, if it's still accurate when you are doing some activity like running or walking. For the blood oxygen, let's check. Let's see with a blood oxygen monitoring. Measure. Just a few seconds, we'll have the results for our Huawei Band 9. 14 seconds, 13, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we have the results here, 97%. The same results with our Watch FoamLight smartwatch. Okay, so despite the affordable price, seems like we do have a good hardware for our Watch FoamLight, good sensor when it comes to health monitoring. For the blood pressure, we are going to try that once we have our blood pressure monitoring. Okay, right now we don't have a means to check whether we do have a good sensor for this one, as well as the blood glucose monitoring. So far, we tried the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen, and as you can see, it has a good result. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.